Meaning, kung paulit-ulit, dapat you don't decide it anymore. Dapat automatic. If it's not you who can do everything and someone else can do it on your behalf, you delegate the person to do the decision on your behalf. So for example, I've mentioned number 1. Tip number 1, if it's repetitive, automate it. If it's, let's say, your bills payment, dapat naka-autopay in life. In 2023, I'm gonna judge a person who will still line up. As long as they have the resources to get a smartphone or internet at meron silang kakayahan na gumamit, hindi po excuse yun. You should be saving more time to do something else. Okay? Email replies can have an email template, and so that hindi siya mukhang robotic, lagyan ng personalization, their person's name. But the rest can be template. What email software do you use for work? Outlook? Okay, or if you guys are interested, example lang si Gmail, meron siyang Gmail extension called Gmail Snippets, wherein may mga keywords ka lang, / keyword. Pag nilagay mo yon, lalabas yung buong paragraph. So